Today we're making batbout, which can only be described as this giant Moroccan English muffin. And it has the funniest name. Bat is duck and boat is belly button. So we're making a giant Moroccan duck belly button muffin. So to make batbout, we need 400 grams of all-purpose flour, 200 grams of very fine semolina, 8 grams of active dry yeast, 8 grams of salt, roughly 16 grams of sugar, and 400 ml of lukewarm water. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix it all together in our bowl, the all-purpose flour, and then the semolina, then the yeast, and then the sugar. Then I'm going to add my salt, and then mix it again. First, I'm gonna go with a very slow speed, add the water, have a dough ball formed, and then after that, I'm going to increase the speed and let it knead for 15 minutes. Then slowly add the water. Now we're gonna increase the speed and let it go for 15 minutes until it's very well kneaded. Take my dough out of the bowl. It's a little bit elastic, slightly wet. We're gonna roll it in semolina and it's gonna be just right. Good dust up of semolina. I'm gonna take it, gently roll it. Right now, I'm gonna cut it into 10 pieces of roughly 100 grams. Sounds nice. All right. Fold them onto it themselves, just like this. I'm just gonna take one, roll it into itself, roll against the surface so that the bottom of the bowl also closes. And that's really important when you're making batbout, because you really want it to be fully closed so that the steam gets trapped in. So close it well. Now you can see there's a slight, if you see here, just a small opening. I'm gonna just pinch it in to be extra sure, and then roll it again. More dusting from the top so that they don't stick to the cloth, and then a 40-minute rest. I mean, sometimes I wish I would go and just take my 40-minute rest, middle of the day, no noise, tucked in, and let them rest. All right, it's been 40 minutes. This is how they look like. Gently take each one of them, just flatten it with the palm of my hand. This is the size that I'm looking for. The other thing that I need to do is just put the tip of my fingers on the edges to lock it in. And that's because once they're closed from the sides, all of the steam is gonna get trapped inside, and then that's how you're gonna see that beautiful big rise. But you definitely going to need to close all the ends. Just transfer it to a well-dusted tray with cloth on it. Take the next one, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. Once I'm done with all of them, I'm just gonna cover them, let them sit for 20 minutes, and then we cook them. Time to cook the batbout. This stove has 3 temperature settings. I am at 2.5. So medium-high heat. We're gonna cook each batbout up. 30 seconds on each side, and keep rotating until it balloons. It takes roughly 2 minutes. So you're gonna flip it 3 to 4 times and done. And why I use the cloth is that it's easy to scoop the batbout and then just flip it on your hand, and you can see it. The surface of the batbout, it was facing up, and that face is gonna go straight into the pan. So first 30 seconds, and I'll flip it. can always cook it from the sides if you want. Again, cover and on to the next one. Look at that. Look at this thickness. Other side. Look at this. Just absolutely super soft, light. You can see all the place where the bubbles were. Thank you for watching until the end. So I finished them with a mix of honey and butter, melted together, and then cooled down back to a syrup-like texture. Fantastic on batbout, bgharir, rghaif, msemmen, harsha, you name it. So thank you, and I'll see you in another video. Take care.